Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks, where we turn bold ideas into real businesses. Today we're diving deep into one of the most misunderstood startup journeys, building a successful business with zero investors and zero funding. That's right, no VC money, no angel checks, no rich uncle, just hustle, strategy, and clarity. If you're bootstrapping your startup or thinking about doing it, this video will show you 1. Why not raising money might be your greatest advantage. 2. The mindset required to win without funding. 3. Step-by-step strategies to grow lean and strong. Let's get into it. The myth of needing investors. Let's bust a myth real quick. You don't need investors to build a real business. We're conditioned to believe that raising capital is success. But here's what they don't tell you. 1. Most funded startups never make a profit. 2. A lot of them scale too fast and die. 3. And worst of all, founders lose control of their own vision. What if you didn't need anyone's permission to build what you love? That's what bootstrapping is all about, the bootstrap mindset. When you're building without funding, your mindset is your capital. You have to think differently. 1. You can't throw money at problems, you have to solve them. 2. You focus on revenue, not vanity metrics. 3. You build for customers, not for pitch decks. This mindset creates real entrepreneurs, not just founders who can pitch. Strategies to grow without funding. Here's how to build smart without outside cash. 1. Start lean. MVP first. Use no-code tools. Validate fast, launch faster. 2. Focus on revenue early. Pre-sales, freemium to premium models, or even services to fund product development. 3. Build an audience. Before you build a product, use social media, newsletters, or a community to gather potential users. 4. Automate and outsource cheap. Use freelancers, AI tools, and automations to scale operations. 5. Grow through partnerships. Collaborate with complementary businesses, creators, or micro-influencers instead of buying ads. Remember, constraints create creativity. The advantages of staying funded by customers. Why bootstrapping might actually be your superpower. 1. You own 100% of your company. 3. You don't answer to investors, only customers. 4. You move on your own timeline. 5. Every dollar you make is real, not borrowed. And when it works big. Think of companies like 1 Basecamp, 2 MailChimp, 3 Spanx. All billion-dollar companies, all bootstrapped. What to do when it gets hard? Let's be real, it's not easy. You'll 1. Work more hours. 2. Make tough decisions. 3. Face slow growth at times. But you'll also 1. Build resilience. 2. Learn every part of your business. 3. Become the kind of founder no investor could ever create. When you feel like quitting, remind yourself, you're building freedom, not dependency. So here's the bottom line. No investors, no funding, still winning. If you've been waiting for someone to believe in you, believe in yourself first. If you've been looking for validation, let traction be your voice. You don't need millions to start. You just need momentum. Thanks for watching Startup Sparks. Drop a comment below and let me know, are you bootstrapping your startup or planning to? Let's build it your way.